How do you get better at sight reading? You need to practice it daily with music that's new to you. The hard part, though, is finding fresh material at the right difficulty level. This is LotsaNotes, unlimited sight reading exercises. Let me show you how it works. Let's press play. Metronome counts in at the tempo you've selected, 80 beats per minute. And basically you play along. It's very obvious if you are off key or if you are at the wrong time. You can pause it. You can have it start again from the beginning. And if you don't like the music that you're hearing, you can press the green button here and make some more. There we go. Let's try this one. Beautiful. Okay. You can change the BPM here up and down, make that faster and slower. We can change the volume. We can switch different modes out here. This is chord mode, where basically notes are formed from the chords, but you can also do that by melody or by a scale pattern. This makes it easier. Basically, it follows scales up and down in this case. You can choose your instrument, lots of choices here. 21 different instruments are available. You can change the time signature and the key signature. You can control how many bars you get. Let's get some more. We'll get 12 bars in this case. We can also change the difficulty level. We can start at very, very simple for beginners, straight quarter notes all the way through, no rests or anything else, and a very limited range. In this case, it's 3 notes. Let's choose a different instrument. Let's choose violin here, and C, D, E. We can increase the difficulty level, and that goes to a 5-note range now, and then an octave range. We can add in rests. We can add half notes. We can add half rests. We can add whole notes, 8 notes, etc. Okay, all the way up to crazy, crazy complicated. Okay. So this is LotsaNotes. This gives you a basic idea. You can also flip over to dark mode. Woohoo! And there's lots of tips here and things you can learn about. You can also track your progress. That's LotsaNotes. Links in the description. It's free to practice every day. No credit card, just sign up and go. If you have questions about a specific instrument or a specific level, just drop a comment. I read all of them. And if you found this useful, a like helps other musicians find it. See you in the next one.